back. Today we are going to solve another Leet codes problem, which is a database problem, consecutive numbers. So the question is, find all numbers that appear at least 3 times consecutively. Return the result table in any order. The result format is in the following example. So we have a table, that is logs table, with ID and numbers, and we have to find consecutive numbers which appears 3 times, at least 3 times, or basically 3 times and more. So for this, the approach that we are going to think is like we will first uh, use lag function to get previous number. So what we will, and then lag function twice with a parameter 2 to get previous to previous number, and then we will check if all three means current, then previous, and previous to previous are equal. If they are equal, then we know that okay, all of them are they are appearing consecutively. So let's see the solutioning part. Select id comma num from logs, and after that what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another function, that is lag function. Lag on what number, then it needs over we don't need partition, because if we do partition and then order, then it is going to mess up with our order, so we don't want this one to get here. So what I'm going to do is order by id, and then let's run it. So I'm writing it as previous number. So you can see here we have 1, and that 1 is appearing here, same thing 1 is appearing here, and same thing 1 is appearing here. So we are getting previous number. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it again and paste it again. So previous to previous number, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write 2. So now we can see we have this, so let's consider row number this 3. So this is the current one, this is the previous one, and this is the previous to previous one. Now what we can do is we can just check when this number, previous number and previous to number are same, then we can consider safely that okay, this number is appearing 3 times. So I will just quickly wrap it up in brackets and name it like q, and what we can do is select num as consecutive number, and I think we should use distinct to be safe, because there can be more than one appearance. And then what we can do is where num is equal to previous num and previous num is equal to previous to num. Let me run it, and again as usual I forgot from, and it is accepted. Let's submit it and check if it works, and it worked. This is showing 23%. Let me just submit it again, let's see if it improves, and it improved. So this is the Leet codes issue. Okay, so it worked. Then thank you, see you tomorrow, bye.